Ever wish you could send an email that deletes itself, just like in spy movies? Man detective. Well, you actually can. Today, I'll show you how to send self-destructing emails that disappear automatically after they're read. No more worrying about sensitive information being forwarded or saved forever. Let's start with the easiest method, Gmail's confidential mode. If you're using Gmail, open a new email, click the lock and clock icon at the bottom right. Here you can set an expiration time, from 1 day to 5 years. Once the timer runs out, the email disappears from the recipient's inbox. You can even add a passcode via SMS for extra security. Perfect for sending private documents, passwords, or anything sensitive. Next up, Proton Mail. This service is all about privacy and encryption. When you compose an email, just click the small clock icon to set an expiration time. Even if the recipient isn't using Proton Mail, they'll get a secure link that expires once the timer hits 0. No one, not even Proton Mail itself, can read your messages once they vanish. Another great option is Tutanota, another encrypted email service. It automatically encrypts every message and lets you control how long your recipient can access it. Alternatively, you can use tools like Privnote or One Time Secret. They're not full email platforms but work great for sending secret messages that self-destruct after being read once. Just paste the link into your email, and once it's opened, poof, it's gone. So whether you use Gmail, Proton Mail, or Tutanota, sending self-destructing emails is easier than ever. It's a smart way to protect your data and keep your digital life private. Remember, the internet never forgets, but your email can. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.